we have a flood. Not too bad, it's drivable, but it's gonna get worse, or so those soothsayers at the Bureau of Meteorology tell me. We'll go look over by the treehouse. So it's quite a flood. I suppose I should get out today before it gets worse, because if it gets over the bridge, then it becomes tricky. But the Roman ruins are all flooded. What do you think, Pericles? He's fairly safe on his pillar, he thinks. The pond is nice and full. Flows down that little channel from up in the hill. Well, South Australia are having a massive flood event today, and that should hit us tomorrow. I'd say it's already hitting us anyway. But these are the beauties of winter in Tasmania. The floods. They're never bad. Oh well, sometimes they are. But here they're not so bad. There's a much higher level. And I have two creeks that meet over there, just before my land. That's why my creek floods. But it drains pretty well. And look at this soil. Look how well this drains. See? Hardly any mud at all. All this gravelly clay. Alright, I'm going to head back in to the fire.